For 2025, the Volkswagen Sharan is expected to present a number of advantages that are highly anticipated by MPV enthusiasts. One of the main features expected is the launch of an electrified variant, either as a hybrid or fully electric model. With the increasing awareness of sustainability, the presence of this variant will attract the attention of consumers who want to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing functionality. Autonomous technology is also a major highlight. The Sharan is expected to be equipped with semi-autonomous driving features and more advanced automatic parking capabilities. These improvements will provide a more comfortable and safe driving experience, especially for families who often travel long distances. The interior of the Sharan is expected to see significant improvements, with a focus on material quality and a more ergonomic design. Flexible and customizable space will provide more comfort for passengers and ease in transporting goods. This is very important for users who need a vehicle for daily needs and family trips. In addition, safety features are expected to be more comprehensive with the addition of the latest technology, such as pedestrian detection systems and better driver assistance. This will increase the sense of security for all passengers, making the Sharan a more attractive choice for families. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Volkswagen Sharan is expected to be in the range of $40,000 to $55,000, depending on the variant and features offered. With various improvements expected, the Sharan will remain a top choice for consumers looking for a modern, functional, and environmentally friendly MPV.